Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. Today I'm going to do a plan with me, and I'm going to do it using this book from Capital Chic Designs. Lamika, I love your books. Thank you. I started a little bit just to see how it was going to look and get it going. So I could, I get my one page up here so I can start working. So I hope everybody's doing well. If you're a new subscriber to my channel, thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed and you like what I do or you want to see what I'm going to be doing, please subscribe. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And let's get started. Okay. Mostly I'll be using my planner now for working from home, because I still get to work from home, so I'm really glad about that. So I'm going to put this to-do list here. We've been having a lot of video conferences and chats to keep everybody in everybody, so you can see that everybody's doing okay, and talking to people via video chat. So that's a nice idea. I was asked if I could do a craft thing, some type of craft thing with people this week or next week, or whenever we get to do, whenever I decide I can get it together to show people something crafty we can do, I'll do that. So I like this so far. I've added these stickers. Got a reminder here to remind myself to get up and get some things done early. What I'm trying to do is get up early enough, get myself down to eat my breakfast early, so I won't have to start work and then eat my breakfast. So I want to get up and eat my breakfast. My doctor called me to tell me that we're going to have a video on Wednesday. They're going to do a video thing with me, a video appointment. So I'll be doing a video appointment on Wednesday. Oop. I got some of these that I kind of want to use, some of the dolls, but I have to figure out which one I want to use. I think I want to use this one because she goes well with all the black and white stuff I'm going to be using. Or I might like this one. She'll go better with all the black and white stuff that's going to be laying down there. So I think I'll use that doll. I have a couple of bills that are due. Oh, not till tomorrow. I gotta have not until Thursday, I mean. I have some to-dos that I gotta write down. I kind of want to put that off center like that. Like that. So I don't want it right there. Got the bows down here. I got those notes up there. Kind of, let's see. I'm gonna, this one's hard to do because I'm not actually going anywhere. So I'm not actually going anywhere, and I don't have a lot of things that I'm doing except for work stuff. So I don't know if I need anything from that book. Here's the Planner Friends book. I love this book. It has all your planner friends in there. But I don't know if I want to add a little planner friend. Let's see. Let's add this lady. Let's add this doll right here. And I want to put her on my to-do day right there. Put her there. She looks good there. So I'm going to put her there. So let me get a little glue. So I don't think they need a little, maybe they don't need glue. Yeah, put a little glue on her and stick her down over here. I hope I don't go glue crazy and get glue all over the place, but I want to put a little glue on it and get her stuck down. I want her right here, right there. That works out. That looks good. That looks good. I like it, like it, like it. All right, so I was talking to one of my friends. She does haul videos. And so she was saying to me, she goes, Jay, now that I can't go out anywhere, how am I going to do my haul videos? And I was like, I don't know how you'll do your haul videos if you don't go out. And so I guess, I don't know. She'll probably, because we don't go shopping. You don't do any of that stuff. So you'll probably have to order stuff online. You got to order all your stuff online now. So I like this. It's simple, but it's good. So I like this page. Let me move to my next page. So you have to do all your hauling online now. So she's going to have to call up Amazon, scrapbook.com, or somewhere like that and start ordering her stuff so she can do her haul videos. So what she tried to say is, well, Jay, you do a few haul videos yourself. Why don't we order stuff, have like a online shopping thing where we Skype to each other and say what we're ordering. So I said, that's a good thing. So we're supposed to be doing a online shopping thing together. So I thought I saw something in here that had shopping on it. Oh, there's a little shopping bag. There's a little shopping bag. Little shopping bag. And she said she wanted to do that on Saturday. So on Saturday morning, we're supposed to get up, get online, and see what we can order. And of course, Friday is payday, so let's stick that up there good. And thank God that I can still work from home and I still get a payday. I have to have a spot each week to write down stuff, so when I go out, I'm not going out this week, but I'll be going out next week. But I'm going to put this on the week so I'll know to do it, because I sometimes put them down there to have Alexa tell me. But of course, sometimes she don't even respond back to me. I think she must be quarantined or something too, because she's been acting a little finicky lately. So I don't know what's wrong with her either. So I'm going to put this on Friday, because I like that there. Put that on Friday. I got to have my to-dos for Thursday. I like those off-centered like that. I have, on Monday, I have to finish up my review information and put that in there. So that's due on Monday, so I'll have to get that there. I have a few weekend goals that I want to put together. You know, now that I have my channel, I should be having my goals for it. If anybody got any good ideas of how to do that, you can let me know about that. Let's see, I got my grocery list. I got my remember. I need a doll. So I'm going to look at my planner friends again and see who I can add here. I like this lady, like her. Like this planner friend. Put this friend right there. She looks good. I need another friend. I like this friend, since we're going to be doing a little shopping together. I'll put that there. I'd like to add this shopping for this here. If I can get it down straight, put that there. I like that. Because the week is not like my usual week, and because I'm just mostly at home, there's not a lot that I want to put in there. I need a motivational thing. See if I can find a motivational thing for myself. So I always have to have something motivational to put in there. Maybe I can find something from this, I'm going to look in this wild styled Happy Planner book and see if I can find something that's going to motivate me for the week. So, gotta see what I find. Let's see. Should be something. Yeah, let's use this because it's kind of black and white and roll here. Need a Sunday motivational thing. Let's put this here. Grow your own way. Grow your own way. That's important that you have your own way of doing what you do. Just be confident in yourself. I keep saying that to my friends and everybody, that you just got to be confident. And the other part that is important right now that I want to add in here is I think I'm going to put it here. I want to put my week of what I'm grateful for. I want that there. So I think I have my whole plan with me done. I like the way it looks so far. Tell me what you think. Tell me what I should have added, or if I didn't add, but I think it looks good for the week. I like these Capital Chic Designs stickers. I think they make your spreads look so good. So thank you for being with me while I did my plan with me. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and come back next week to see what I do for my next plan with me. And I'll probably get back on the doing different things of how to do different things instead of using stickers. But this week I kind of wanted to use my stickers because my friend Carmen, who I'm doing this with, I want this up here. That looks good. She wanted to use her Capital Chic this week, and I said, okay, then I'll use it with you. And so we kind of went off schedule a little bit because she wanted to use the Capital Chic because she did buy those. She didn't buy any other sticker books, but she bought Capital Chic. So thank you, everybody. If you like what you see, again, subscribe. Tell me what you'd like to see. Or if you got any challenge of what you think I should try to plan with next, put that down there and go, okay, Jay, plan with this, and I'll try to see if I can make that work. Yeah, give me a challenge. If you're one of my subscribers with my plan with me, give me a challenge. So this is how it works. This is how it looks. And thanks. I'll talk to you soon. Stay blessed. Bye.